Hey guys, it's Wengie. Welcome back and hugs! So I asked you guys what viral things you wanted me to test and you guys came back with the Japanese foil ball. And I also decided to take on a little bit more. I'm gonna make a giant version of this foil ball. Don't know how it's gonna go, don't know if I regret it. Probably will. I literally flew over to Japan, getting the Japanese vibes, hoping that this foil ball is gonna turn out even better because I'm in Japan. So stay till the end because we're gonna actually take this foil ball and ask Japanese people what they think of it or if they actually even know what it is. One more thing guys, are you guys part of the Wengification squad? It's super easy to join. Just click the notification bell down below and comment hashtag Wengification squad. If you guys have done this, you guys have a chance to win a shout out every week. So right now I'm ready. I've got my aluminium foil or aluminum foil. And also I heard that this DIY actually stains your hands, so I got myself some gloves. And without further ado, let's get on with the DIY. Let's go. In order to make this foil ball, you're gonna need some aluminum foil, sandpaper, lots of sandpaper, gloves so your hands don't get stained, metallic polish, and a hammer. The first step is to basically just scrunch up your foil into a ball shape. I've never made this DIY before, so I wasn't sure what the best scrunching method was, so I kinda just did whatever. I realized why people don't make giant aluminum balls. Even the scrunching process was taking forever, but since I've already committed, we're gonna see this through to the end. So now we have this giant ball, which is like 30 meters of aluminum foil. I guess it's time to start hammering away. The hardest part of this DIY was making sure I was hammering the ball evenly on all sides to turn it into a sphere instead of like a weird shaped egg. So I was using this softer rubber hammer to start slowly to make sure I got the shape right. Quick trivia question, do any of you guys recognize which other video I used this hammer in? If you know, leave your answer in the comment section. I was pretty happy with how the ball was turning out, but my biggest worry at this point was the aluminum flaps that were just kind of flapping around. Even though I hammered them down over and over, I just couldn't manage to keep them down. Honestly guys, this part took me like more than an hour. And you've seen my arms. Max actually likes to call them noodle arms because they're so weak. Okay, so I decided to take the risk and cut off the aluminum flaps with some scissors because I just couldn't get rid of them. Next up, I began to hammer the ball using the metal hammer to compact it even more. This part began pretty well, but after a lot of bashing around, I noticed a huge problem. There was this huge crater in my ball. Like, I don't even know where it came from because I felt like I was hammering the ball evenly. But yeah, there must have been this hole or something deeper down inside the ball. Maybe I didn't scrunch it properly, but yeah, huge crater alert. Anyways, I couldn't do much about it, so I just kept hammering, hoping that it would get smaller as the ball got smaller.
I guess I'll be the first to say it. I haven't felt this good in a while. Tell me I'm the only one that they would all like, but you're the only one that kept me alive. Oh, you were the only one. You were the only one that kept me alive. You were the only.
Okay, so here's what the ball looks like now. Most of the aluminum grooves are gone. The huge crater is now a tiny crater, but I'm still annoyed that I couldn't get rid of it. Maybe I could have hammered it down more, but at this point, I was like 4 hours into the DIY and my arm was completely toast, so I decided to move on. So the next step was to use the sandpaper to sand down the ball and make it smooth. I bought a whole bunch of different grades of sandpaper because that's what I saw other people doing, and I started sanding away.
Even after all this time, fear can grip.
Not gonna lie, this part was even more tiring than the hammering part.
But somehow, somewhere you make me believe I could see it in your eyes. So take me as your breathing proof for everything you ever done for me. I won't lie in fear.
halfway though, I watched a few more videos of other people doing this and realized that all the people who made this thing used electric sanders. Yay. Anyways, I wasn't gonna go buy electric sander at this point just for this, so I finished the job manually.
You were the only one that was on my side. You were the only one that kept me alive. You saw my insides from the outside. You saw a chance, gave me truth, so I survived. You saw my insides from the outside. You saw my insides from the outside. You took a chance, gave me proof.
So yeah, here's the ball after I sanded it down. It definitely doesn't look as smooth as the ones I saw in the videos, but one, it's much bigger than the others I've seen, and two, I did everything by hand, so I think all things considered, it looked pretty good. And I was so tired at this point, I honestly didn't care anymore. The last step was to use some metal polish. Okay guys, I never thought this moment would come, but we made a giant Japanese aluminum ball! Woo! It does not sound like metal. So this is the foil ball. I mean, it could have been a little bit better and smoother, but I'm actually pretty happy with this. I was honestly so tired, guys. I was like gonna give up halfway anyways. I should not have made a giant version. My arms, they haven't been worked out. But right now we're gonna take this out and actually ask some Japanese people what they think of it. Let's go!
YouTube ビデオのやつボールとかはあっていいんですか？あんまりこれないよね、普通。ミラーボールじゃなかったっけ、これ。大きすぎるよね。なんか普通もっとこんなサイズだったような気がするけど。
What do you think of the foil ball? Oh, I was trying to eat it. You're trying to eat it. It's no food.
何ですかこれ？ホイルの。なんでこんなの作るんですか？
なんじゃこりゃ。かわいい、キュート。
叩いてってやるのがなんか。
軽い。思ってた半分ぐらいの重さしかない。
でしょ、私も重いと思って。
これ何で叩いてるんですか？もっともっと綺麗にするんです。
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and me trying this Japanese foil ball challenge. If you guys have any other viral DIYs or anything you want me to try, don't forget to let me know down below. And I want to do a huge shout out to my Wengification squad of the week and my WengieCon of the week. Congratulations! And if you guys want to enter for a shout out next week, don't forget to check the description box for instructions and also follow me on social media to see what I got up to during the week. I had a whole bunch of fun stories from Japan. I'm gonna miss you guys so much, and until next week, I'm gonna see you guys soon. I miss you so much. Bye guys! Love you!